Welcome to the next part of the Weekend of Science 31. So this is the Personal Financial Analysis System project, and what we have to do here is to build a robust financial analysis system that can clean the messy data, calculate total savings, analyze where the money is going exactly, and compute statistics using the NumPy here. So here again we are back with analysis projects. So this is a data set. Basically, the data set contains the date of the expenditure whenever all the dates where it has the money is being spent, and then type, is it income or expense, and then category, where is it going exactly, and then the amount of each individual date. So here we have some certain invalid dates as well, so you have to clean that and all. Then we have the data frame, df.data frame, pd.data frame here, my bad, df equal pd.data frame. And yeah, so then we have the data clean. So clean data, this thing function. So the input is df, that is the data frame. Now we have to check if the time is in invalid form. So how do we check that? Is basically if we are able to convert that into a text, what do you call the date into a text, then it is valid. If it is not, then it is invalid. So here basically this coerce is basically turns invalid text into not a time. So invalid text is converted into not a time, so we can drop it. Now after that we are dropping all the invalid dates, and then we are checking if the amount is greater than 0. If certain amounts are greater than 0, you have here minus 5,000, which doesn't really make any sense, because how can some expense or income be negative? It can't be. So this is basically they've given us typo, and one more is missing value. So all this we are removing. Now after that we have the clean data. Now we have to find a monthly summary of income versus expense. So here we have to group all the distinct data by monthly like by the different type, and then we have to add it. So all the expenditures are in one side, all the income are in one side. So then we have both the income and expenses. So now how do we find the savings? Is basically total income minus expenses. How much ever income you got minus how much ever you spend is savings, whatever you have. After that we have the p.data frame. So total income, total expense, and net savings, all these three things we'll be mentioning here. From all these values we're extracting, we'll be mentioning that here. The next part is the category wise analysis. So this is filter only for expenses. So here we have to analyze expenses by category. Where is the most number of money going? Where is the highest number of money going? Where are we spending highest? So that we have to identify here. So that is basically done in this. Basically category summary is grouped by the category within the amount. So group by the category, all different categories, and the amount. Find the sum of the total. If I've spent multiple times on the same category, then find the sum of all this, and then we have to sort it in the descending order. So highest comes first. After that we have the advanced stats. So advanced stats include what do you call this average, median, mean, max, all these things, standard deviation and all. So again, this to calculate this, it is very simple, just one line of what do you call code, that is np.mean, np.median, max, min, standard deviation, all this. And then or else we have it as empty. If it is not there, if the data is not there, then we have to convert that into data frame for better displaying it better. Then we have the main function that we're calling all these functions. So let me run the program. Yeah, so you can see this is the clean. So a monthly income is 1,21,000, expense was 39, so 82,000 was the net savings. After that you can see rent is 18,000, that is highest number of expenses, followed by shopping, and then lowest is transportation, that is 800. Then we have the average expense is this much, monthly expense is this much, maximum expense is this much, and all so on. We have all these three things. Let me submit the program now. So the test case have passed, and that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.